radar sequence, and over the last few hours, even they have tended to decrease as the wind has also died down. Mind you, if you live in the south, in the extreme south, in the Channel Isles, you probably disagree with me. It's been raining for most of the day. Once that cleared away, it turned foggy. But as you can see, the radar reflection shows the rain now over France, and things are a little bit better. The clouds breaking up nicely. That gave us the sunshine we had during the day. Unfortunately, it means it'll cool down fairly quickly tonight. High pressure's moving in. It's a long way before you reach the next frontal boundary. I think the high will tend to keep most of the rain at bay for most of us over the next few days. There's the isobar chart. They are still tight, but they're tending to slacken, and tomorrow we've got this ridge of high pressure over us. So tonight, then, with light winds, not much in the sky, it will turn cold. Colder than last night, I think. -2 wouldn't be a bad temperature to find in most places. It'll be a little bit less cold on the fringes, especially down the eastern side of England, where the breeze will still be with us and could bring in a few showers, possibly all the way down towards Norfolk overnight. And they'll be with us throughout much of tomorrow, but for most of the country, as you can see, it'll be a fine start. There'll be a good deal of sunshine, though it will start pretty frosty. So as the ridge pushes itself in, and by the way, if you want to set your barometers, 1,023 millibars, about 30.2 inches. And as that ridge moves in and eastwards, so there is rain out to the west, and that'll push ever so slowly in, not getting into most places, except Ireland, until dusk. So there's your temperature then, 7 to 8 on a fine day. The showers seem to die out, the rain just reaching Cornwall, then after dark, maybe western Wales and Northern Ireland. Now for the next few days, the forecast isn't certain, but it looks like high building over the Baltic will tend to bring us easterly winds. Now, easterly winds in February are pretty cold. They've come in from Siberia, so it does look like a colder weekend, and with the strength of the winds increasing, a pretty raw weekend as well. For Friday then, the high pressure's pushed slowly out of the way. We get a bit of rain nudging its way in. I think you'll find it lying across Cornwall, western Wales and over much of Scotland, so either side it'll still be fine, but temperatures then are starting slowly to drop. Then on Saturday, with the